Production at ICD is the creation and fulfillment of high-performance products. In manufacturing, we perform a set of internal procedures to produce a product that exceeds customer expectations. Quality control verifications are performed at every level of our production process. This begins upon receiving the raw material, during manufacturing, and completed with product shipment. For a consistent fulfillment experience, we promote supply chain diversification to ensure product availability.
Thank you again for joining us today. I encourage you to connect with one of our awesome team members